Okay guys, so after finding the component, the force along the x-axis, right, F31x and F31y, we have the value of F31x along this right here, and then along y is this value. We need to go back to our superposition principle. So I'm going to erase this part. Maybe you guys need to copy this, so try finish copying this, and I'm going to erase this, okay? Okay, so we need to write down the forces along x-axis and forces along x. So let's write sum of force along x direction is what? We have these forces also along, let's say, x direction, right, like this, and then vertical, let's say positive as that, right? So if x is what? We have a force earlier, so that we got that was equal to what? Minus 19. So this is basically F21x plus F31x, right? So this value, we need to write this down. That turned out to be minus 16.9 plus minus 6.72, and then this turned out to be 23.62. 62 Newton, which is just about 23.6 Newton. Okay, negative. Don't forget the negative sign. That's along the x-axis, right? So along y, if y, we have only one y direction, which is basically if along 31y, right? So this is just if 31y, and this turned out to be minus 0.45 Newton. Okay, so you see this, these are the forces we have. So this is a vector, right? The net force is a vector quantity. So F net is really, so F net on 1 is given by minus 23.6 Newton along x-axis and minus 0.45 Newton along y-axis. Okay, so that's it. Alright, so we'll start with the electric fields in the next lecture, in the next lecture, okay, next day. So